How to fix GTA 5 lag problem is and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First open settings and then click here privacy, scroll down, go to background apps, turn off all background apps just by turning off the first option, and then right click here on GTA 5 and go to properties, and after that go to compatibility and then click change settings for all users, and enable those two options and click OK, and that's it. Now just open task manager and close all the applications that you don't need like Google Chrome and task, OBS and task, and then open GTA 5 and you will find that your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.